Welcome back to A Penny for Your Thoughts. I have recently got a haircut and I've been trying to figure out a way that I can better curl my hair into ringlets. And I again saw this product on Facebook and I thought I would give it a whirl. It is called ANGE and it is the Le Duo. So let's open it. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. All right. I've used curling irons all my life, so I wanted to try something different. And this has an airflow styler in it. So let's open the box. Ooh. Let's see. It's very pretty pink. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Oops. All right. So, very cute. All right, so let's take this back and let's give it a whirl and see if it really does what it's supposed to. All right, stay tuned. All right, everybody. So I just opened the box of my ANGE Duo. I plugged it in, and right now you can see that it is just flashing the LED light up. So I am going to press. Oh, hang on. There, 280, 320, 380, and 390. Okay, that's where we're gonna start. So, what I've read on this is that there is a titanium band here, and when it's ready to go, the little airflow will kick in, and that will help set the curls. So, we're just gonna give it a minute here. And as you can see, it kind of tells us, right now it's at 360, it's flashing for 390, and it should start, the fan should be kicking in any second. All right, so I got the blush color. I figured everything I usually have is black, so I thought it would be a little different, and I would go with the blush pink. It came really fast in the mail, which I was quite excited about. So I'm just getting ready to go for a grad. And I thought we would just really quickly see how this works. Now, oh, there it goes, it started. So I also have read and watched some YouTube videos that said your hair has to be clean and brushed out really well so that there's no knots in it, because the knots will cause issues. So I'm gonna take my glasses off. We're just gonna quickly go like this, tie my hair up, and we're gonna do the first round of my hair. Okay, let's try this. Now I have really fine hair, as you guys can see, so I should have bought some alligator clips, but these ones are just plain. So note to self, if you have fine hair, get something that's gonna grab your hair a little bit better. All right, so first curl, we're gonna grab it. And what we're doing is we're just turning it slowly. And voila! Look at that. How quick was that? So I'm just gonna keep going around my head. Okay. Grab another piece. I got this shorter, the Duo. I can't remember how long it is, but I have shoulder length hair, so I didn't get the long one. And you get the idea how quick that is. So I'm just gonna take these down and we'll do the top of my hair, and then you'll get a better idea how quick it is. I'm not sure if you want to stay for the whole hair, or maybe we'll speed up the video so that you can see how it goes. But I wasn't sure about if it was gonna work as well as they said it was, because I saw this on Facebook and I'm like, you know how, these Facebook videos, do they really work? But I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And they're right, it's really quick, really easy. So, I give 2 thumbs up on this one. The only thing I would say that I have had trouble with is sometimes when I'm curling, I will accidentally hit the button and that will then go like that. and then I'll be like, oh, I don't want it that hot, so then I have to play with the buttons. But other than that, I haven't had any issues. I've been using it for a little bit now, maybe a couple weeks, just to get practice. But the first time that I did use it, okay, I'm not doing a great job here because I'm just grabbing hair for you guys. It was as easy as it looks that I'm doing now. It was not very difficult. The only time I had trouble was when I did not comb my hair out and I had knots in my hair. That did cause some trouble because it didn't flow nicely through. Okay, so on this side I'm going to show you another quick little demonstration because some people like a different type of look. So I'm going to look goofy in the end here, but some people just like one little curl and then kind of a straight look at the end. So see how you have that little tail on the end there versus the full look. So we are just going to keep going around now, but I'm going to say this versus using just a regular wand, curling wand, is life-changing because you don't have to wear a glove and burn your fingers. You have better control, and I think it's better for split ends. I know I'm not really pinning my hair back properly, but I just want you guys to kind of get the idea of how easy this is. Oops, hang on. I did not comb that very well. I heard a knot go through. So for those that need to get ready in the morning, this is lickety split because I don't have a lot of time. So would I recommend this product? You bet. This would be one that I would buy for friends and family if I needed to buy a gift. So, all right. So then when you go, you can kind of just put your fingers through and it holds. So I'm not going to do the back. I'll do that after, but this gives you a great idea how quick that was. So 2 thumbs up, launch, and we'll see you next time when I find another product to give a review on. So this is Penny signing out for Penny for your thoughts. If you have any products that you would love for me to review, please send me a message and give me a like and a subscribe. Thanks so much. See you later. Bye.